Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons. Today we're going to draw Gary from Angry Birds 2. So grab your marker and follow along with me. We'll start with the nose first, and you're going to draw a nice round nose right here in the middle of the page. And after that we're going to draw two nostrils. They don't have to be exactly the same size. I deliberately draw one bigger than the other one. And now we're going to draw Gary's glasses. What I like to do, I'm going to draw the bridge first of his glasses. And then I'm going to draw the outside curve of the glasses. So we'll do the outside lines. And then you're going to connect it back to Gary's nose. And we'll do the same on this side as well. And now we're going to start here at the nose and we're going to draw the inside lines. And I connect it back to the nose. And I'll do the same on the other side. And then right here on top, I'll just draw the glasses with a little bridge, and I'll do the same thing on this side as well. Now let's draw Gary's eyes. I'm going to draw two straight lines from there to there. Half circle, another half circle, and then of course a pupil. And let's color the pupils in. Now right below the nose, we're going to start with Gary's mustache. So we're just going to draw a little mustache, zigzag lines, and connect it back. And then not a friendly face, but we'll draw the mouth there. And then we're going to draw a little beard. You're just going to make a few zigzag lines, and there we have a beard. Now we're going to go to Gary's jacket. We're first going to do the jacket, and then we're going to go up again. Now I'm going to draw on this side a line down, and I'll draw another line down on the other side as well. And then from here I'm going to draw the collar, and I'm going to connect it back to this line, this curvy line. And I'm going to do the same thing here, the collar, and connect it back. And now we can do the underside of the jacket, and we're going to go straight up. And let's do the same thing on this side as well. Then just a straight up line, a little bit of a division there, and then we're going to draw two buttons. And I'll draw two buttons right there. Now there's these little folds on his jersey, and I'll just draw a few folds here as well. Right, and now we can draw the arms, and I'm going to draw an arm, a collar, same thing on this side, the arm and a collar. And then we're going to draw the hands. So there's a little nail and maybe another nail right there. And let's do the same on this side as well. And a nail right there as well. Now we're going to go back to the top. And I'm going to draw the head first. I'm going to start here, and I'll draw a head, and I connect it to the glasses. And then from here we're going to draw his front hair going down. There's a line and there's a line. Now let's follow these lines right through the glasses, and we can connect it. And we'll do the same on this side as well, right through. And then here at the back there's two ears standing up. We'll just draw the inside curves of the ears. And now we can draw his collar of his shirt. You're going to bring it back. And then the bottom of his shirt. You can just draw a straight line through. And now we're going to draw the bottom of his belly. And now it's time for the feet. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw two short legs sticking out. I'm going to draw a heel, and then I will draw the foot and I'll connect it back to the jersey. And the same thing on this side as well. There we go. And we'll turn this into a shoe by drawing just a shoe. There we go. And there's Gary. Now you can check my picture out and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.